idea and you think, wow, probably nobody has ever thought about this. Sometimes it's good to take a step back and ask yourself, am I really the most smartest person who has ever thought of this? Not that you can't be. So these people go on and set up a pharmacy there, 6-7 months down the line, nothing is happening. Then they discover that people in that area strongly believe in traditional medicine and they have got no faith in modern or conventional medication. So perhaps if they wanted to set up a successful business in that area, they needed to really invest a lot in sensitization and education of that environment for them to shift the mindset of people so that they can begin to look at conventional medicine in a positive light. All right, and those are some of the things that we are looking at and doing as we do our business development to ensure that we research and understand the area that you want to operate in. Is there competition there? How do you set up your brand to ensure that you stand out and attract the much needed business and also offer the health services that you want to offer at the end of the day? So it's not an issue of going in blindly because there's no business there, but it's an issue of understanding that there's actually business that is just awaiting to be tapped into. So as I mentioned, we work with hospitals, laboratories, dental clinics, pharmacies, warehouses, and any other organization that is in the health space, be it from a product-centered approach or from a services-centered approach. Other services that we do is company registration and pharmacovigilance services. For those that are not coming from a health background, pharmacovigilance is simply a system of detection, assessment, and most importantly, prevention of adverse drug reactions or side effects. I think that would be the most common word that occurs post-market authorization or registration of pharmaceutical products. I'm sure at one point or the other you have probably taken a certain medication. Among many other reasons, you discover that it was not working. It wasn't, giving you the therapeutic or effect that you needed. This could be that probably the potency or the efficacy of that medicine was not what it was purported to be. And so pharmacovigilance aims to ensure that if this drug is meant to cure your pain, it should cure the pain and obviously not give you any side effects that are not listed in the brochure of that product. Other than that, I'm sure there was a point where some medications started deteriorating even when it's been stored under normal conditions. It's that process of ensuring that we remove products on the market that are not serving their purpose and possibly harming people. And contrary to popular belief,